Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. In my personal opinion, and I rent cars just for you, for those that know who I am, or if you don't know who I am, my name is Conrad Layn. I own 22 cars currently. I'm planning to acquire another 10 cars, so I'll have 32 cars. I rent cars on Turo, Hire Car, and Avail Car Share platform. In my personal opinion, one of the best places, there's other places, but one of the best places to buy a car is actually from Turo hosts, people that rent their cars on Turo or share their cars on Turo, or Hire Car, Get Around. People that rent their cars on those, they usually are the best to buy from because first, they'll sell it to you. Usually they want to exit the market. Maybe they're not happy with Turo, maybe they're not happy with Hire Car, they're over it, maybe they have a life change. You usually get a really good discount and they're trying to exit anyway. So the way you find these people, go on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, even on YouTube, etc. And you find these hosts on social media platforms, Facebook, etc. Go to their Facebook groups. A lot of Turo hosts are in Facebook groups for your area, and you can buy a car from them. Reddit's one of the best also because Reddit has a lot of people who are disgruntled or unhappy, and I'm on Reddit as well, so I answer a lot of questions. One of the best places to buy cars for a really good rate and a discount because people are trying to exit. You're actually doing them a favor, but you get a deal for it. Love you guys. That's cheap for today. And a secret, Carl Layn out.